Hi guys, I'm back home. Back home, I will continue my movie I'm watching last night that I fall asleep. So, I'm back home. Ito tayo today. Red and... Bumagsak siya. Ito tayo today, red and white. Bako tatayo. Yan, tatayo tayo. Red and white. We have red and the white. Red and the white. Red and the white. Red and the white. Okay. Lazy days. I'm just going to watch my my movie. What happened to this? This movie title Faces in the Crowd. Faces in the Crowd. It happened. It's in the YouTube movies. Faces in the Crowd. What happened is this guy wife after the friends party, all girls, friends party, girls party, way back home, she witnessed a couple into the near to the port where the bridge. She thought they doing romantic, and then suddenly the woman being cut the throat and lying to the floor, and she saw that, she witnessed that. The time that she's thinking to escape, because it's not romantic at all. Somebody's throat been cut, the woman throat been cut of the guy, that who she doing a romantic thing near to the port area where where the boats. So she witnessed that. Suppose she will going to escape because she's walking going home. The time that she going to escape, her mobile rang. So this guy saw her, that she witnessed what he've done to this woman, and this killer chased this wife, this woman who witnessed the killing this woman. The killer romancing a woman that he cut the throat, and witnessed with this wife who walking home. When her mobile rang, the killer noticed about her, and this killer chased her. So the killer have a cutter, the cutter, very sharp cutter, or you can use for shaving as well. You can use for shaving. Yeah, so shaver is a shaver. So when he catch her, this killer beginning to doing a slice motion that cut her hands, and then they're into a edge, or very edge, or the entrance of the bridge, that this woman happened when she trying to stop the slicing of this shaver, but it reached her hand. The time that she fall out the bridge spans, and it happened when she pulled to this bridge spans. It hit her head before she dropped to the water. And it's a miracle that she survived, but she been in the hospital coma for a week. And then when she woke up, she can recognize faces. It happened because her head hit to something before he dropped to the water, because they're in the bridge at the time that she's struggling of about this shaver, the sharp shaver, and hit her hands, and then she fell to the water. She escaped to be slashed to the neck, but good, still have a miracle. Even she hit her head to something metal before she totally fell to the water. And then it's really, really, I think she survived because there's a man under the bridge, the homeless people. So I think the homeless person got her when she pulled to the bridge. So it's like this homeless old man saved her. That's why I think the next being killed is this it been killed as well, this homeless man under the bridge. So it's under investigation because after she recovered, not she did not recover. Yes, she recovered to a coma, but she cannot recognize face. All the faces are like the same to her. So it's really good movie, guys. Watch it. Um, Faces in the crowd. Why it calls faces in the crowd? So many is in the crowd, and all the faces all the same to her. She cannot recognize any face. That's the result of the time that she hit her head before she fell to the water. But really miracle that she survived. And if she did not fell to the water, I think this killer really slashed her throat like the other woman that being killed. That's why she being chased, because she witnessed it. So I think it's really a good movie. Even her own father, she cannot recognize the face of her own father. And she's a teacher. She back for teaching. She back for teaching children, and she need all the children to put a name tag, because she can't recognize faces. That's the effect of what happened, that she hit her head. Okay, it's a YouTube movie, full movie, Legendary Cinema. Best mystery thriller, Faces in the Crowd, full movie in Legendary Cinema Hub. I think this Legendary Cinema Hub so many maybe collection of movie. I just found it. I love watching movie, guys, ever since. So okay. Um so okay, guys, I'm going to continue this because last night when I'm watching it, probably around 9:30 or 10, I just fall asleep and I did not able to finish it. I'm into the middle of the movie. So okay. Um yeah, watch this. Faces in the Crowd. Faces, FACES, Faces in the Crowd. Crowd, CROWD. Okay, I'll see you again, guys, later. Anyway, subscribe, like, and share for more. I'm going to share more good movies. Um, yeah, that you can try to watch. Um, don't forget to subscribe, Edit Pill Spanish, like and share. See you again, guys. Thank you.